How to rearrange quick settings icon. Always swiping like crazy to find your Wi-Fi, flashlight or hotspot. Let's rearrange your quick settings so your favorite ones come first. Swipe down from the top of your screen twice. To fully expand the quick settings panel, you will see tiles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode and more. Look for a pencil icon or three dot. Tap button order. Now you are in edit mode. The fun begins. Hold and drag icon to rearrange them. Move your favorite one to the top row. Put your top 6 to 8 tools up front for super fast access. And there you go. Quick settings now actually quick. Spend less time swiping, more time doing. Like if your phone's now way more efficient, need help with your specific phone, comment below. Subscribe for more Android glow up. Catch you in the next time.